Number 27, Jung Hilario.
Para score na agad.
Number 25, Ayon Perez. Number 10, Eddie Garcia. And team captain number 4, Von Navarro. Coaching to showtime is Bojing Akots. And make some noise for Team Korea Racing Eagles. Number 6, Son Tae-jin. Number 7, Oh Soo-hoon. Number 10, Moon Soo-in. Number 13, Jung Jin-won. And team captain number 99, Choi Min-ho. Coaching the Racing Eagles is Cho Jang-ho.
Wala, kay Min-ho na rin ako.
Diba?
Hindi nila pinasok si Johnny.
Yung dating kasi.
Ba si Johnny,
yung dating niya. Hindi naman siya talagang poging-pogi.
Si Min-ho, gwapo. Ayan o, first five. At magkakasama si Rivers. Si Rivers, si David. O nga no, baka pagsamahin yung tatlo.
Anong pagsamahin yung tatlo?
Si Rivers, si David, tsaka si Dustin. Pareho forward, tsaka guard, no? Yes, this is it, pansit. Ang gwapo ni Adi.
Si Rizler 6463 ata, gano'n. Parang 64 siguro.
Takat pala ni Adi. Takat.
Sino?
Ronnie.
It's the Philippines versus Korea. This is the shoot of Asia.
Yes.
Go. Rupa me. Go. Okay.
Wala. Tapos halata.
Holding foul on number 99, Choi Min-ho. It's his first personal foul, first team foul for the Racing Eagles.
Bakit uminit na?
Lumusot.
Hindi na malamig.
Marami ng people. Ang dami Koreano dito. Ano ba yan? Para yata makalang. Ano ba yan? Para yata makalang. Ba't defense sila? Oh my God, marami Koreano.
Maaga pa.
First fighter. Defense! Go, Jong!
Nagmamadali sila eh. Nagmamadali kasi tayo eh. Oo. Hindi inaalagaan yung bola eh. Okay, nagmamadali.
Ang galing naman. Ang galing ng mga Koreano.
Oh!
Go, Ayon! Go, Ayon! Wow!
Wala. Ay, meron din. Lagot. Binawian. Binawian agad.
Agad-agad.
Alagaan kasi yung bola, di ganun. Ayan na, pwede mo na. Kaya.
Defensive foul!
Blocking foul on number 69, Johannes Rissler. That's his first personal foul. First team foul for Cruz Showtime.
Blocking foul pala. Magaling sila. Kaya lang. Atak mo.
Oo, nagmamadali sila maka-points eh. Wala. Ay, hindi po pwede.
Nakalive.
Ay, hindi. Selfie stick daw. Ang liit na lang nito.
Free throw na yun. Dapat yan yung pinaka-defense. May answer pa na doon. Ano yun?
Bakit ang tagal? Ba't tatlo? Anong foul yun?
Hindi dapat dalawa lang.
Mayroon siyang final na ano? Defensive? Offensive foul kaya tatlo.
Pushing foul on number 99, Joe Min. That's his second personal foul. Substitutions for Cruz Showtime.
Pinasok na agad. Eh, 5-10 na.
Real game, let's go! Yan.
Nagtuturo pa siya sa referee, foul na. Sabi nga. Sabi nga.
That's his first personal foul. Third team foul for the Racing Eagles. 2 shots for Rudy Alante.
Take isa, yung Korean, tas may ano. Sige, kaya yan. Alalayan nyo kasi.
Ow!
Ano? Ano?
Pushing foul on number 15,
pushing
John
foul.
J. Ward.
Kaya pala.
Timeout, Rising Eagles.
Wala ko, tulak ko sa'yo, magulang sila maglaro. Magulang pala sila. Yung pag nasagi mo lang, kala mo kailangan na nila stretch.
Mag-arte-arte na.
Okay, let's do this. Come your way. Some basketball straight from your favorite players. So mag-ingay! Sino ba dito gusto ng basketballs from your favorite players? Mag-ingay! Let's go. So keep your eyes on the court and raise your hands high because some players are heading to the stands to close them out. Yes, and thank you so much to Mountain Philippines for the basketballs. And of course, if you get one, don't forget to flex it on social media. Tag and hashtag Shootavasia and show us that winning smile. Alright, who knows? We might flash your photo on the big screen later. Alright, everybody, let's give it up for River and Yahoo! Sino ba dito gusto ng signed basketballs from River? So ikaw ang tumili sa kanila makuha tayo ng bola. Raise your hands up! Yes, guys, and Team Korea Showtime! Team Rising Eagles! Ayan, nakuha na nila yan.
Kaya nga eh.
Congratulations, there we have it! Okay!
Layo. Pero nakakatakot.
More basketball action is coming up as we finish the rest of the first quarter. Back to the ball game.